Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily capture front and back cameras at once on the iPhone 17 Pro. So first, what we want to do is we want to enter the camera. Now here in the camera, let's switch over to the video. And now all we have to do is click on those 6 dots and go over to dual capture. Now, as you guys can see, the dual capture is enabled. We have the front camera and the back camera. We can start recording now, and it looks like this. So now we can stop our recording, and here we have our dual recorded camera. I'll quickly do the phone like this. As you guys can see, we have both of the cameras here. So this is a new very cool feature. I feel like this is actually the most enjoyable of them all, and that's how you guys can do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.